Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you the best cordless vacuum cleaner, with pros and cons. If you are looking for accurate and reliable information, then watch the full video. Buy now to get a discount. So, let's start our review today. Product link the description box. The Dyson V8 Cordless Vacuum is a powerful and versatile cleaning solution designed for modern homes that need flexibility, strong suction, and cordless convenience. Engineered with Dyson's digital motor technology, this vacuum delivers up to 115 watts of suction power, making it capable of deep cleaning both hard floors and carpets with impressive efficiency. Despite its compact and lightweight design, the V8 Plus maintains strong performance suitable for everyday cleaning tasks as well as more demanding jobs like pet hair removal and embedded dirt extraction. Key features. One of the key features of the Dyson V8 Plus is its cordless design, which allows unrestricted movement throughout the home. Without the limitation of a power cord, users can easily move from room to room, clean stairs, or even reach tight corners without hassle. It is powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that provides up to 40 minutes of fade-free suction on standard mode. This ensures consistent performance throughout the cleaning session rather than gradually losing power as the battery drains. For tougher messes, the vacuum includes 2 power modes, allowing users to switch to a higher suction setting when deep cleaning carpets or dealing with stubborn debris. The vacuum is designed to clean multiple floor types effectively. It transitions seamlessly from hard floors to carpets, capturing fine dust, crumbs, and larger debris. The cleaner head includes advanced brush bar technology that helps detangle hair automatically, preventing hair from wrapping around the roller. This is especially beneficial for homes with pets or long hair, as it reduces maintenance and keeps performance optimal. Another major advantage of the Dyson V8 Plus is its 2-in-1 convertible functionality. With a simple click, it transforms from a full-size stick vacuum into a handheld vacuum, making it ideal for cleaning furniture, car interiors, upholstery, and hard-to-reach areas. The lightweight construction enhances usability, allowing overhead cleaning of ceilings, curtains, and high shelves without strain. The V8 Plus also features a fully sealed filtration system designed to capture fine dust particles and allergens, expelling cleaner air back into the room. This makes it suitable for households concerned about indoor air quality. The hygienic dirt ejection mechanism allows users to empty the dustbin without directly touching debris, improving convenience and cleanliness. Overall, the Dyson V8 Plus cordless vacuum combines strong suction power, cordless convenience, hair detangling technology, multi-surface capability, and handheld versatility into one compact machine. It is particularly well suited for small to medium-sized homes, pet owners, and anyone seeking a lightweight yet powerful everyday cleaning solution. That was today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to comment and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and helpful buying guides.